you go to add funds, deposit, search for docs. Docs. As you can see, there's docs, and then you wait, just select on network as usual. And you understand. Then you copy your deposit address / your memo, and then you go and input it.